Anchoring procedures in action. So the course is Seamanship 5 Handling, presented by me. So the topic is Understanding Anchoring Operations. So the learning objectives. So explain the key terminologies related to anchoring and identify types and parts of anchors. Understand safety procedure during anchoring. Describe procedure when approaching an anchorage area. So there are key terminologies. First is shank. The shank is the main or the anchor. So the shank is the long. It is the central that connects the anchor is the shank. So second is flukes. Dig into the seabed for holding. So flukes. So fluke muna siya ang flat pointed arms that digs into the seabed. So the crown kay muna siya ang mag-join sa shank ug flukes. So it connects the shank and flukes. So stock kay muna siya ang crossbar nga mag-add og stability. So last is shackle, muna siya ang mag-connect sa ato ang anchor. So there are types of anchors. First is tackle anchor. So it is shackle anchor is kanang common in modern ships. So the second one is stock anchor. Has a stock for better holding. So ang stock anchor kuno kay muna siya better holding sa mga mag-anchor. So Danforth anchor, lightweight for standby bottoms. Mushroom anchor, used for permanent mooring. So ang mushroom daw kay muna siya itong permanente na gamiton sa kung magmooring ta. So there are safety procedure during anchoring. So first is before holding briefing. So we must check gear. Mag-wear tag PPE. During communicate clearly, control chain, speed stay clear. After ato na secure atong chain, lag position, ato check atong weather if it's good or bad. So approaching an anchorage area. So first is identify anchoring spot, slow down and get anchor ready, drop anchor at the right location, pay out chain to correct scope, confirm anchor is holding, and lastly is secure the anchor. So there are 6 approaching an anchorage area. So considerations for weather and seabed. So soft mud sand, use more chain, increases scope. So soft mud unya usasahan kay maggamit ta og more nga chain sa para increase ang scope. So if strong wind pod kay ato ang anchor kay na siya og more force, facing more force. So if it is rocky bottom, so avoid fouling and we're gonna pick the right anchor for the rocky bottom. So communication between bridge and deck. So the communications are we're gonna use hand signals or radio. Report chain length and anchor. So mag-report po sa atong chain sa length sa anchor status na to. So bridge tracks vessel position. So mag-track po sa atong vessel position. So conclusion. Anchoring requires coordination, safety, and precision. So kung mag-anchoring ta, mag-require ta og coordination, mag-kuanta sa atong safety, sa atong precision. So proper anchoring ensures safety of the vessel and crew. So magkuanta sa atong proper na safety atong barko, ma-safe ta para avoid ta og disgrasya kung mag-anchoring ta. And that's all. Thank you.